The graph of y equals 1 over x is shown below. On the same axis draw, labelling clearly, y is 1 over x plus 2. Now, clearly here, with the plus 2 added, that means we're going to have a vertical translation of 2 units upwards. Now, we know that the horizontal asymptote here is the x-axis. So if we move 2 units upwards, we'll end up with y equals 2. Then from there, we can draw the curve. So it's going to go through this point here at 1, 3. Remember, it's moved upwards. And then it's going to have the same vertical asymptote, so it's going to come in and tend to the y-axis. But along here, it's going to tend to the line y equals 2. And it's going to go through this point just here, but it's going to come up the y-axis, over, and then it's going to tend to y equals 2 along here. So this red one is y is 1 over x plus 2. Y equals 1 over x take away 5 will be a vertical translation of 5 units downwards. So the asymptote is going to become the line y equals negative 5. So it's got the same vertical asymptote, so it's going to go towards the y-axis up here and then tend towards y equals negative 5 along there, and over here it's going to come up the y-axis. It's going to go through the point just here and across there. Now, how do I identify this point here that would go through and this point here? It's just from the original curve I can see that it goes through 1, 1. So the crossing of the asymptotes was here and then 1, 1. So once again, from the crossing of the asymptotes, we just go 1, 1 and we get that point, and 1 across and 1 down and we get that point. And that's how I figured out where those were. It's just relative to this point here where the asymptotes cross.